The warehouse. How do we handle your product? So today I'm going to show you, our customer, how our warehouse team undergo a process to ensure your products are handled with the utmost care. We invest a lot of money into our team of warehouse operatives and delivery drivers. This building attached to our main offices is 5,000 square foot. We stock a huge amount of products, ranging from a heavy-duty gas oven to a disposable pack of J-cloths. So, as well as our huge product range, we have 2 forklifts, an engineer's workshop, and of course, a coffee machine. So all of our deliveries are checked carefully for any dirty or damaged boxes, or even if the supplier has sent something incorrect. All of our suppliers work very closely with us, and if there's any discrepancies, they'll have a rapid response time and sort them all out for us. So once that's done, it's moved to its stored location within the warehouse. So once you've placed your order with our lovely sales admin team, the order gets printed out and the picking note goes through to the warehouse. So once it's been picked by the warehouse team, one more quality control check and a final count, and it gets loaded onto the vans first thing in the morning. There we have it. You can rely on each and every one of our staff members to make sure your product is delivered in perfect condition. Now, if for any reason this hasn't happened, please give us some feedback, as we are always looking at every aspect of our business and how we can improve it. As always, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call.